Marketing is a big, confusing word for cleaning businesses. There's so many things you could be doing, but how do you know what's really going to benefit you the most? The majority of your high-value inbound leads are going to come from things like your website. So if you don't have a website, you need one. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. You definitely need one, and it has to be a good one. That doesn't mean spend loads of money, though, by the way. If you want to talk about that, drop me a message and I can help you with it. The second one is we need to be looking at things like Google My Business, pushing Google reviews, making sure we're utilizing things like Google local service ads, which are fantastic as a low-cost spend for advertising without getting into the fully fledged Google Ads campaigns that you can run later on. There's a number of things you could be doing, referral programs, looking at who's in your network, utilizing LinkedIn. All of these things are lower cost and they're going to give you better return on investment. If you're in that position where you're thinking, I need to generate more leads, but I just don't know how, I don't have a lot of time, I don't have a huge amount of budget that I can spend on marketing. If you're in that position, you need some help, this is our sweet spot. We help people with this all the time. Come towards us, drop me a message, let's have a conversation about it, because there's a great chance that we can reduce the amount of time you spend on marketing, reduce your involvement to free you up for other things, but increase the volume of leads that you're getting right now. So if that is of interest to you, drop me a message.